There is no such thing as failure on YouTube. The only way that you can possibly fail on YouTube is if you want to create a video, if you want to create content and you don't. A couple of weeks ago, I started a channel and it was so nerve-wracking. Creating a video, while you're sitting there talking to a camera, it's a weird feeling because you feel like you're talking to nobody, and then you also feel like you're talking to the world at one time. But I created a video and I was really proud of myself. And I said in 2024, I was not going to allow fear to stop me from doing anything. So I created the channel and I plastered it all over social media because I think I sent it to at least 200 people. Not that I have 200 friends, because having 200 friends is wild. Naturally, I thought that if I send it to 200 people, I will have at least 200 subscribers. Yeah. I posted the video and I looked at my subscribers and I'm starting to do math. I'm trying to count, why am I not seeing all the subscribers from everybody that I sent it to? That fear of failure is real. I've always been afraid to fail. That could come as a surprise because I've done a lot of things and I've been relatively successful. What people don't know is that I never take big risks. Before I take the risk, I study to understand, can I succeed? Will I succeed? How will I succeed? And if I don't see the pathway to success, I decide if it's unknown, I just don't take the risk. And that protects me in a lot of places, but if I'm being honest, it also creates some regret. What if I had just taken the chance? What if I had just gone after what I wanted? What's the worst that could have happened? With this YouTube journey, I had to ask myself, what's the worst that can happen? I was going through the list and I realized that the people that I was closest to, people that I've literally supported in their endeavors, they didn't subscribe. And I won't lie to you, it completely broke my heart. It hurt. And so my temptation was to delete my channel. Take down the video, delete the channel. Let's act like this didn't happen. If your closest friends don't subscribe, it starts to make you wonder, why not? If the people closest to me don't think I'm worth a subscription, if they don't, how can I expect the world to view my video and to find value in it? But then it hit me. I could focus on the people who didn't support me, or I could focus on the fact that some people did support me. Right? I had a choice. I don't know who here is considering deleting their channel, but please don't do that. I continued posting. I continued making content, and right now I'm at about 5 videos in the past couple of weeks. So I've been posting. I've been sharing. I've posted it a few different places. I've tried a couple of different strategies, which I will show in probably my next video. I'm going to show you how I was able to accumulate some of my subscribers. I happened to get 1,000 subscribers in the past 2 weeks, which completely blew my mind. I was literally going to delete my channel because I said, I can't even get 50 people to subscribe. You know what happened with the next videos? I started to learn from the first one. That first video, I won't lie to you, it is not the best. I did so many things wrong, things that I'm learning now. I could have made the video more interesting. Probably didn't have to be as long as it was. I didn't know that at the time. And I almost deleted it after I learned those lessons. You see, the problem when you give up so early is that you don't give yourself time for growth. Because what happens is that every time you post, you get to see your mistakes and you get to improve on it. You get to make it better. You get to improve. You're better at your content. You're better at your editing. You're better at your thumbnails. By the time you quit, you're not the same person you were when you started. Right? I'm a better version of myself now than I was just 2 weeks ago. Why would you quit now when you are the best version of yourself right now? Why would you give up now when you are literally better now than you were before? If you were going to quit, you should have quit in the beginning. But don't quit now that you've learned, because the truth is you're only one video away from completely changing your life. One video away. Your first videos could have got 1 view, 2 views, 5 views, 10 views, and then you post a video that gets hundreds of thousands of views. The algorithm resets every time you post something new. The algorithm resets and it's looking for people that may enjoy your content. So why would you give up? You're one video away from completely changing your life. Take what you've learned, take that knowledge, take that wisdom, and post again. I've sat on creating a channel for 6 years, since early 2018. Yeah, that's 6 years. Oh, thought my math wasn't math. My gosh, 6 years. And I made every excuse in the book. Listen, I told myself it's because you don't have the right cameras. Once you have the right cameras, you'll create the channel. Guess what I did? I bought cameras. I still didn't create the channel. I said it's because you don't know how to edit yet. Once you know how to edit, you'll start putting out content. But the truth is, I was never going to just sit there one day and say, let me learn how to edit. If I'm being honest with myself, there are some skills that you will only attain after you do the work. Meaning, I will learn how to edit when I have a video to edit. But just editing with no video to edit didn't feel encouraging. I'm very hands-on. So I rather learn while I'm editing so that I can get better at editing videos. I told myself, hey, you gained some weight. I did. And I said, hey, you gain some weight, and after you lose the weight, then you'll post a video. I made up every excuse, but the truth is, I was afraid of failing. I'm constantly revising and I want it to be perfect. And if it's not perfect, then I just won't drop it. But perfection is the enemy of progress. I have an iPhone and it's constantly getting updates. When Apple sends you or whatever phone, for my Android people out there, I know you exist. I'm just joking. I promise. But every time you get an update for your phone, you're usually happy because as long as it's progressing, you don't care if it wasn't perfect before. The fact that it can get more perfect. They know the phones are so imperfect that they bring out new phones every year. If they waited for the perfect phone, none of us would have phones right now. But they always know there is room for improvement. Yes, it's true. Your channel's not perfect. Yes, it's true. Your content won't be perfect. Yes, it's true. You are not perfect. But if you show up, people will appreciate your product. There is an audience who is thirsty to see real people actually going out there, striving for their dreams and succeeding along the way. There are people who want to cheer you on, but we can't cheer you on if you don't show up. We can't cheer you on if we don't know what you're up to. We need to see you work so that we can cheer you on as you work across these insecurities, as you work across these fears, as you work across this perfectionism. So show up. I'm simply proud that I did what I wanted to do on my own terms, because I know that if I'm the type of person who goes after everything I want, then I know this will be my best year. If you're the type of person who just goes after it, 2024 will be the best year of your life. Just take the chance. What do you have to lose? With the video ending, I'm not going to do the common YouTube thing where, I ask you to go watch more of my channel, but I'm gonna ask you to create a video. If you appreciate this content, do me a favor. Give yourself 1 week to create a video. Reach out to somebody that you know, that you trust, that you love, and ask them to hold you accountable to make a video. You don't have to have any cameras. If you have a phone, you have a camera. You don't have to have a mic, your phone has the mic. Just create a video. Do it. Post it. What's the worst that can happen? You have nothing. If confidence is what you get, facing your fears, if that's all you get, if being able to respect your word is all you get, then you're successful. There is no failure on YouTube. I wish you all nothing but the best. I promise, if you're missing a subscriber, put a comment below. I'll be happy to subscribe to your channel. I don't care what you're talking about. I'll subscribe simply because you put yourself out there. Hope you have a great day.